Hey guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing this phone mount for your car. So, this is super straightforward, easy to use. Here's the main part. You can push the button to expand it, and when you close it, now it's stuck, won't go. This bottom piece also expands. You can kind of lock into position as you please, but for this sake, let's just keep it closed. Comes with this main piece, which has adhesive and suction. Here's the clip for the suction. Oh boy, lost a piece. But super easy. You just push that in. Oh, I forgot this piece. Make sure this piece is in here. Push it in, lock it in, screw this in. You can loosen this arm with this piece here. So you could actually mount it, around this way if you want, like so. Or we're actually going to do this because I think this is going to be a little bit better, like leverage and such. And that the placement's a little bit better. I'm installing this for my wife, and that's how she wants it, which means that's how we're going to do it. And then this lever's for the suction. Obviously, it does also come with a clip for the vent if you want to clip this to your vent. It's very straightforward to use. It's just got a button, and then it's got that L piece right there. So when you hook it onto your vent, this thing can't pull off because that little nubbin is going to hold it onto the vent. So pretty clutch. But the vent makes your phone hot or cold depending on what air you're putting through it. So not as much a fan of that. So we're not going to use that for now, but so it comes with a 1 and a 2 for wipes. The 1 is wet and the 2 is dry. We already use this. Self-explanatory. You wipe it wet and then you dry it with these ridiculously tiny wipes. So let's peel this off. Put this on here. I'm going to lock this. Actually, I'll keep it just so we can kind of picture this. Look good? There? Okay. I'm going to stick it on. Give it some nice pressure. I'm going to lock this out of the way for now. Give it a nice push so that adhesive cures to it. Then I'm going to push this down and roll the suction knob down. Now we're good to go. That thing is solid. Roll this arm down. Tighten it. And gonna tighten this behind here so this thing's not moving. Push the button, drag your phone in, boom, good to go. And this bottom clip even has a little space so you can charge your phone. Boom. So super satisfying. This phone mount for car, super clutch. My wife's gonna love this. A lot safer because adhesive and suction holding this down. And look at this. As I pull it, the dash of the car is literally moving. This thing is stuck. We're very pumped about it. Great product. Hopefully this helps kind of show you what to expect with this product. Catch you on the next one.